Turn now to the Idaho College murders trial. The judge making several major decisions yesterday about critical evidence that could impact the suspect's defense. Kana Whitworth is there in Boise for us. Good morning, Kana.
Yeah, Michael, good morning. You can really see how this summer's trial is taking shape with these early rulings. The judge deciding to allow that 3D model of the home, but also siding with the defense, excluding the terms sociopath and psychopath from trial. But on some of those more contentious issues, we're now waiting for written rulings.
This morning, the judge in the Idaho College murder case weighing critical decisions on evidence that will shape the August trial.
Make no mistake, these murders, whoever committed them, were brutal and were horrific. And so I suspect that the evidence will reflect that.
Kohberger sitting in court during a 6-hour-long hearing Wednesday. The prosecution and defense going head-to-head over everything from what prosecutors say is the defendant's Amazon search history to witness testimony, DNA evidence, and the suspect's possible alibi. Brian Kohberger is facing charges for the 2022 murders of Kaylee Gonzalez, Madison Mogan, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin in an off-campus home. His lawyers say he's innocent. But prosecutors say the defendant purchased a K-bar style knife like this one from Amazon, along with a sharpener and a sheath. And they say his Amazon search history will reflect that. But the defense says everyone in the Kohberger family had access to that account.
It's misleading that the way that you just portray it, that because there is a purchase in a household account, that is automatically attributable to him, and then and that there's somehow
purchase
intent.
in a household account. It's attributable under his particular name in the account, as I understand it. Now, could somebody else in the family get to it? I don't know. I suppose your expert will tell us that.
The judge said he will allow click experts to testify on behalf of the prosecution who say Kohberger's DNA was found on that knife sheath. The judge also signaled he will allow much of the 911 call made by the two surviving roommates to be played in court.
Do you think that the surviving roommates were under the stress of the immediate events?
And while the prosecution plans to call a member of Kohberger's family to testify, the judge saying that doesn't exclude his other family members from sitting behind the defendant during trial. A reality the parents of Kaylee Gonzalez are preparing for.
His family being there, yeah, that's a hard pill to swallow.
Now, the judge is going to issue a written ruling on Kohberger's autism spectrum disorder, which his defense team says will not only make it challenging for him to testify, but is also reason enough to have the death penalty taken off the table. Guys.
All right, Kana, thank you.